in this video we are going to do unboxing of WECON HMI. So let's open it. It has a really nice casing with bubble it has a really nice casing with bubble wrap, and as you can see, here's a brand name mentioned over here, and on the back side you can see its model as well. It is 24 volt DC powered up. That is how most of the HMI, or almost all HMI, are powered up, right? Here's the 24 volt connector. Here's the interface, serial interface to connect our PLC with this HMI. It is RS232 interface, and we have that cable as well. And then we have one option, USB, normal USB port. You can connect your mouse keyboard with it, and then you have one cable to program your HMI. So this is sort of the same cable that are used on printers as well.